Hi, my name's Melissa. I'm the technology librarian at the St. Paul's Hollywood Library, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do a photo album using Microsoft PowerPoint. You could use these for different events. The one I'm going to do today was a similar to one that we did when my daughter was married. They wanted to show pictures of the bride and groom growing up during the breakfast, but you could do one for funerals, maybe a trip or a family reunion. You might want to show maybe an anniversary. We did something like this for my grandparents' 50th wedding anniversary. So lots of different reasons you might want to make a presentation, a slideshow presentation, and use a photo album. Okay, so I have opened up Microsoft PowerPoint, and I'm just going to select a blank presentation. First thing I need to do is click on the Insert tab, and I'm going to click on New Photo Album. It pops up, and I need to go choose my photo album from my computer. It defaults to my pictures, but I put my file that I want to use on the desktop, so I'll select that, double click there, and now you see all the pictures of my little girl growing up. So I'm just going to randomly click on one, hold down the Control key on the keyboard and tap A. That selects all of them. And then I will click on Insert. Now from this point I can decide if I want to fit to slide, or if I want 2 pictures, 4 pictures, do I want the title? But I think fit to slide will be just fine for our purposes today, and I'll click Create. All right, and my photo album is basically done. You'll see all of my photos have shown up here on the left-hand side. There's a lot of them. If I want to change the title, I can just click right here, and I'll just call it The Bride. And then I don't want it to say by the tech team because it's just their computer. We'll just leave that part blank. This click to add subtitles, that won't show when I go to have my slideshow. All right, but the black isn't really doing it for me. This is a wedding, so let's go click on the Design tab. And we can look through all of these. I can go one by row or click on the gallery to see all of the options. And if I mouse over these, I'll get a little preview. This one might not be too bad. I'll click on that. And that looks kind of wedding-y. There's other choices here. Oh, that's kind of pretty. Let's click on maybe the blue. No, I like the green. Let's click on the gallery, and I can go look at colors. Their colors were actually pink, which I'm not seeing. Maybe violet will look good. Let's click on that. We'll pretend their colors were purple. That works good. Now, you can also format the background. There's a lot of choices that you can play with there, but I'm just going to close out of this because this will look good. All right, now the next thing I want to show you is View. So I'll click on the View tab, and what I want to do is I want to use the slide sorter. It's right over here on the left in the first group, and this is where I can move the slides around if I need to. Maybe I want to find and put those baby pictures up at the top. So let's go and start with some baby pictures. Let's see, where's another baby picture of her? There she is, pretty little baby up there. And we can just slide those around and play with their order however we like there. Now, also we need to talk about transitions. Now, if I wanted it to have a different sort of transition there, you can see how that would kind of work. I think I'm just going to stick with none. But over here on the right, for the advanced slide, I don't want to have to stand by the computer clicking to get each slide to advance. So I'm going to have it go after, and I'm going to leave the mouse click, so that'll still work. But let's go after, let's try 12 seconds. And I'm going to apply to all, so that works for each one. And we've got, so you can see the timing there for each slide is 12 seconds. Okay, one more thing we need to do here is we will go to the slideshow tab, and I need to set up the slideshow. I want it to loop continuously. So I'm going to click right there and select OK. So that once the slideshow gets done, it will keep going, because we're going to be eating and don't want to be worried about that. This is just going to be playing in the background. So let's go ahead and run our slideshow. I'll click from beginning. And I can use the arrow keys or the mouse click to go through to kind of look at that and show you how that works that way. And just a cute slideshow there to go for my daughter's wedding. If you have any questions about this program or need any tech help, please call the library. The tech team's number is 843-805-6885. Thank you.